All right, guys, we got a 2016 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. Beautiful, finished in orange, really beautiful color. What we got done on it, actually we didn't do it, another shop did, but he came and brought his, I think his son's Elantra. We just did a muffler delete on it. And he said, I have a Hellcat, I want you guys to put it on the channel. I'm gonna put on the show. I said, okay, no problem. So we're gonna show you what it looks like under it first. He had another shop do the work, okay? Factory converters there. Then factory X-Pot. Then he bought his own Super 10s and we put them on for him. The other shop put them on for him. And then he bought it that already had a muffler delete on it also. A rear resonator delete right there and right there. There's the FLOWMASTER Super 10s right there. He purchased them from Amazon. Part number 842518. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. So this is what it sounds like with Super 10s. Factory X-Pot and rear delete. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 114. I'm gonna back it out. What do you guys tell us in the comments? What do you think? Should he make it louder or keep it like this? What do you guys think of the sound? Let us know in the comments. Go ahead. I think it sounds good. Dodge Hellcat Challenger with FLOWMASTER Super 10. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Oh, he's stopping traffic. Yeah. Beast mode. Not bad at all. And that was his son's Elantra we did right there, guys.
Oh, no, you don't need to.
That's what it sounds like, guys.